So adding image to your page is a very easy process in WordPress. I just wanted to let you know though that this is actually going to demonstrate the function around adding an image, and that functionality is exactly the same whether you're adding a content page or a blog post. So it's just two separate areas that you would go into depending on whether you're posting a blog or whether you're posting a page. The actual process of adding an image to either of those pages is exactly the same. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate adding an image just like this onto a page. So if you go into your WordPress administration area, you'll see there's the left-hand navigation on the left-hand side, obviously. Right, so I'm going to add an image to a content page. So I need to go into the Pages area. And I have a page here already, a test page, which has some text on it, but it doesn't have any images. So if I open that up and edit that, okay, as you can see, there's no images here. So this is a very easy way that I'm demonstrating now to actually add an image as you're going. If you know that the image that you want is not in your media library, you can do it as you add a page. So if you click the cursor where you want the image to go, and I'm going to go to my Add Media button. So you can see this is my media library, and these are all the pictures that I already have on my site. So I could easily just select one of those and insert that, but I am actually going to upload a new file. So there's a link up the top here, Upload Files, which I'm going to use. So I'm going to click Select Files in the middle of the page, and that's going to allow me to browse my site and find a picture. So I have a picture in my Downloads folder that I want to use. I'm going to choose that. Okay, and there it is. That picture has now been added to my media library. So from here, the process of adding an existing picture or a picture that you've just uploaded is exactly the same. Right, so I'm going to select that picture, and I have a few options here. I can give it a new title. I'm just going to say woman. Yeah. You can give it a caption. You can give it some alt text. Now, alt text basically means when the reader is looking at the web page and they hover their cursor over the picture, a bit of text can pop up and explain a little bit more. Now, alt text can be quite good for SEO. It's quite helpful for that, and it's also very helpful for anyone who's looking at your website that might have any visual difficulties. So they might be using screen reader technology if they have any visual issues. So it's a very, very good one to do for those people, and also it's actually required, I think by law really, in order to make sure that websites are easily accessible for everyone. So make sure you add some alt text in here. So I'm just going to put here a picture of a woman. Okay. We have options around how we place the image on the page. So if I have a look at the alignment, I can put it left, center, or right. I'm going to select left in this instance, and you can choose the size as well. So I can do it as a thumbnail or as the full size picture here. I'm just going to put thumbnail in here so it's not too big, and then I can click the insert into the page button, and there we go. That's my image right there. So if I click update the page, and then if I go out to view the page, so using the view page link up the very top, that's going to show me how it looks to people when they look at the page. And there we have it. This is the browser view. So that's really cheered that page up with a little picture there. Now, another thing I just want to demonstrate quickly is under your blog post area, you'll see you probably have the option to have pictures on your blog page as well. It's a slightly different area that you add that picture to. And I'm going to go into that on a different video. So have a look at the video for adding a featured image to a blog or a page.